This custom home, perched high above West Linn, offers exceptional panoramic mountain views. It's located for fantastic privacy near the historic Willamette District with its amazing local shops, restaurants, great parks, and forest trails. A charming courtyard welcomes you home. It's exquisitely designed with new large windows, an airy open floor plan, hardwood floors, and an inviting gas fireplace. Extensive remodeling opened the floor plan to maximize views, providing some of the best mountain and valley views in the state. The chef's kitchen features modern colors, quartz counters, 2 sinks, upscale appliances, gorgeous views, a built-in fridge, and a custom walk-in pantry with a full-size freezer. From here, you can take in more panoramic views from the deck. A roomy main-level office is perfect for working from home. On the upper level, you'll be treated to a spacious primary suite, your own private retreat, where you can wake up to spectacular views. Unwind in the large, sumptuous bath. You'll also find a huge walk-in closet. On the lower level, you'll find a bonus room with built-ins, plus 2 additional bedrooms, and another full bath. An unfinished shop space is perfect for storage, a home gym, or a workshop. This home is truly move-in ready with premium mountain and valley views. And it's all here on Wildwood Drive, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.